So one issue I find with the Fender Rhodes Mk1 is there's no music stand. Adding one behind the piano, it's too far away, and adding one on top, well, it's not ideal because I like to stack other keyboards on and it's a curved surface. So let's come up with a solution for this. So I like using a tablet or reading from printed sheet music because we're not all improv machines. So the goal is to create a music stand that can be added or removed without damaging the piano. These pianos are getting rarer and rarer, so it's important to me that any changes are reversible. The piano features an aluminium extruded name rail. This has a recess that looks like it could hold something, but a piano book won't fit in here and it doesn't really work, it just flops over. And then behind this we've got an ABS lid. But we can use this gap between these two components to attach a small hook. So I've created this hook design using FreeCAD. This is simply a single shape profile I've extruded with a small feature that clips into this location. And then we 3D print it. So I really like having access to a 3D printer, and I know that libraries and makerspaces and there's online communities and also online companies that allow 3D printing to be accessible by anyone. And all the software I use is open source and free. So if it's something you're interested in, do have a go, do have a research. Feel free to drop me a comment and ask a question. I've made these files available on Thingiverse, so you're free to download them and create your own if you want, if this feels like something useful for you. Okay, so that one's printed. And here's another one I printed earlier. So let's try it out. Seems to fit okay. Yeah, slides on perfect. Does it hold a tablet? It looks like it does. And some sheet music? Cool, right. I best get on with these scales.